This is my new favorite thing. I'm not even sure how the magic in this works, but you got to see this in action. So to start, you just shake it down. It looks just like any other brow pen. I have had so many that looks just like this, but for some reason, this one works better than anything else I've used. Okay, I'm gonna get up real close and show you guys what I do. Look at that snatching. I don't even like that word, but it's working. Can you see that major difference? I mean, it lifted my brow and looks totally natural. Okay, let's do the other side. Okay, snatched brow number 2. Wow. Now, my brows already started with a little bit of a difference. This one has always had a better arch than this one, so I could probably work on getting it a little more perfect. But what I love about this is how simple it is and how natural it looks to fill it in. So this one, yeah, I probably need to get it a little bit more arched to make it just as perfect as that other one. But it's so simple. When you get up close, it doesn't look completely drawn on, which is of course not the look I'm going for. I want natural, which I'm sure you're trying to go for as well. If you're looking for the best brow pen, I cannot recommend this more. It has been amazing. I'm wearing the color Brunette. I have super dark eyebrows and it blends just perfectly. You're going to love this. If you got any value from this product review video, and I hope you did, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, give it a like as well, and let me know in comments if you've tried this or if you have a brow product that you just can't live without. I've tried so many, and like I said, this one right now is my absolute favorite. I'm blown away by the results, especially since it's not very expensive like some other brow products on the market. So hopefully you guys gave a little subscribe and a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next beauty video.